Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss some extra sums. Uh, Here equation is present. Solve this equation and find out the value of x and this value present in which interval. Okay. So here equation is present. Our first question 2x minus 3 upon 4 plus 19 greater than equal to 13 plus 4x divided by 3. So first of all take LCM in left side as well as take LCM in right side. So therefore, here we can written 2x minus 3, our LCM is 4, multiply with 19, so 19 into 4, greater than equal to. Same way here we can take LCM, so 3, LCM, 13 3 ja, 39 plus 4x. Now here simplify this term. So therefore 2x minus 3 plus 19 4 ja 76 divided by 4 greater than equal to this term written add it is, so 39 plus 4x divided by 3. Now 76 minus 3, that means 73. So therefore 2x plus 73 divided by 4 greater than equal to 4x plus 39 divided by 3. Now this denominator 3 multiply this side and 4 multiply opposite side. So 3 into bracket 2x plus 73 greater than equal to 4 into bracket 4x plus 39. Now after 3 multiply in this bracket 4 multiply in this bracket. So therefore 3 into 2, that means 6x plus 73 into 3. So plus here we can return 73 into 3, that means 213 greater than equal to 4x into 4, that means 16x plus 39 into 4, that means 156. Now simplify this term. X term we can return one side and remaining term return in opposite side. So therefore 6x minus 16x greater than equal to 156 minus 213. So therefore 6x minus 10x, that means 6x minus 16x, that means minus 10x greater than equal to 156 minus 213, that means minus 56. Now here minus sign present in outside of this variable, so remove this minus sign, so both the side multiply minus and change the inequality. So therefore 10x less than equal to 56. Now divide by this term, so therefore x less than equal to 56 divided by 10. So 63, not 56. 156 minus 316, that means 63. So here we can return 63. Now therefore here we can return x less than equal to 6.3. So our final answer in written in interval form. So arrow is going from left side. So here we can return minus infinitive to 6.3 close interval. So our answer is minus infinity comma 6.3. Open close interval minus infinity comma 6.3. Otherwise we can also return this way 63 by 10 form also we can return. So first of all here equation is present. This equation solve in left side, after solve in right side. Now 3 multiply in opposite side. This method we can also say that here equality is present, so we can say that cross multiplication method. So these 3 multiply this side and 4 multiply in opposite side. Now after open this bracket, simplify this term. X term written one side and constant term written another side. Now after solve this equation, so we get answer in this form. Next question. Solve the inequality x plus 3 upon x minus 2 greater than equal to 4. Here condition is present, x not equal to 2. Right? Now solve this equation and find out the value of x. Here x not equal to 2 condition is present because in denominator term x in place of here substitute 2. So 2 minus 2 that means 0, and any term divided by 0 that means this term is infinite form. That's why here one condition is present, x not equal to 2. So therefore again solve this denominator term multiplying opposite side. So x plus 3 greater than equal to 4 into bracket x minus 2. Now after open this bracket, so x plus 3 greater than equal to 4x minus 8. Now x term written one side and remaining constant term written another side. So x minus 4x greater than equal to minus 8 minus 3. X minus 3x that x minus 4x that means minus 3x greater than equal to minus 11. So now here minus sign present in outside of x. So remove this minus sign. So both the side multiply minus. So here 3x greater than equal to in place of written less than equal to 11. Now after divide by this term, so therefore x less than equal to 11 by 3. Now our final answer how can be written? So here arrow is going from left side, less than equality form is present, so we can written here minus infinitive to close interval 11 by 3. But here one more condition is present, x not equal to 2. So take care here, in this question condition is present, so that's why here we can written minus set of 2. That means the value of x between open interval minus infinitive to close interval 11 by 3, but the value of x not equal to 2 is present, so we can subtract of these two in this interval. Okay, so our final answer we can written like this way. Next question. Solve the inequalities 2x plus 4 upon x minus 3 less than equal to 4. Here also condition is present, x not equal to 3. So again same method, same process apply here. This denominator x minus 3 multiply with 4. So therefore 2x plus 4 less than equal to 4 into bracket x minus 3. Now after open this bracket, so 2x plus 4 less than equal to 4x minus 12. Now x term written one side, remaining constant term written in another side. So therefore 2x minus 4x less than equal to minus 12 minus 4. Therefore 2x minus 4x that means minus 2x less than equal to minus 16. Now again here remove this minus sign, both these side multiply minus, so therefore 2x greater than equal to 16. Now divide by this term, so x greater than equal to 16 divided by 2, that means 8. Now arrow is going from right side, so our final answer close interval in 8 to open infinitive. And same way here we can return okay. Now here we cannot return minus set of 3. Why? because x greater than equal to 8, that means value is going from 8 or more than 8 number, but 3 not present between close interval 8 to infinity. So take care here. Here value of x not equal to 3, so here we cannot return close interval 8 comma infinity minus set of 3, because already this value is not present between this interval, right? So our final answer we can return like this way. Next question. One question is present, and this question is modulus form present. So here modulus form of 4 minus x plus 1 less than 3. So how can we solve this question? So again, therefore here we can return modulus form as it is. So mod of 4 minus x less than 1 written in opposite side, so 3 minus 1. So therefore modulus form of 4 minus x less than 3 minus 1, that means 2. Now here one condition is present. Modulus form of x less than a is present, so open this mod form and we can return minus a less than x less than a. Okay, so here we can apply this condition. Mod of x in place of here present mod of 4 minus x, and a in place of here written 2. So here written minus a less than x less than a, that means here we can return minus 2 less than 4 minus x less than 2. Now first of all remove this 4. So therefore minus 2 minus 4 less than minus x less than 2 minus 4. Therefore minus 6 less than minus x less than minus 2. Now again minus sign multiply in all this, here in between minus sign is present. Remove this minus sign, so minus sign multiply in all these three sides. So here we can return 6 greater x greater 2. So therefore here we can return 2 less than x less than 6. Right? Here remove this minus sign. So multiply minus sign in all these three sides. So less in place of written here greater form. Now this greater again written in less than form. So how can we return? So again written in reverse order. So first of all here written 2 less than x less than 6. Okay. Now next question. Uh, 2x plus 3 divided by 4 minus 3 greater x minus 4 divided by 3 minus 2. So again here take LCM in left side, take LCM in right side, and after simplify this term, so we get final answer. So first of all 4 is our LCM. Now 4 multiply with 3, so 2x plus 3 minus 4 3 are 12 greater than, here 3 we can take LCM. So x minus 4 minus 3 2 ja 6. So therefore 2x minus 3 minus 12, that means minus 9 divided by 4 greater x minus 10 divided by 3. Now 3 multiply this side, 4 multiply opposite side. So therefore 3 into bracket 2x minus 9 greater 4 into bracket x minus 10. Now open this bracket. So 3 2 is 6x minus 9 3 is 27 greater 4x minus 14. Now 4x written this side, 27 written in opposite side. So 6x minus 4x greater minus 40 plus 27. Six x minus 4x, that means here we can return 2x greater minus 40 plus 27, that means minus 30. Now divide by these two, so x greater minus 30 divided by 2. Now arrow is going from right side, so our final answer open interval minus 13 divided by 2 to open interval infinity. Clear?